Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about my electric glass kettle by Bella, and I got this about 2 weeks ago, and I just want to talk to you guys about if I like it over my regular stovetop kettle and if it's worth it to go out and make a purchase. So this is my regular stovetop kettle. I got it for about $15 at Walmart, and the brand is Copco. So here's the new kettle. I just want to show you guys a little bit about it. It's glass, it's very beautiful. The bottom piece just sits right on top of that electric piece on top of my countertop. And the top opens up by pressing both the triggers. And this kettle holds about 7 cups. The max line is above, just slightly above the 7 cup line. And you don't want to fill it up over the max line because boiling water will hop up out of the hole and you don't want to get burned or burn your countertops. As you can see, it just sits right down in there and it's very easy to get on and off that piece. So we're going to go ahead and fill up the kettle so I can get started on boiling the water. After I set it down on the electric piece, all I'm going to do is push down on the little trigger and a little blue light comes on, and that signals that the water is being boiled. The blue light is absolutely beautiful and I really enjoy this about the kettle. It's so soothing in the morning when I get up and I'm making a cup of coffee. Watching the water boil is also very soothing for me, so I just love that this kettle is glass. I have put this in fast forward so that you guys don't have to sit here for a long time and wait for it to boil. In all, it took 6.5 minutes for the water to boil. I will include a video of my Copco stainless steel kettle boiling water, just so you guys know a little bit of a comparison to how fast each kettle boils the water. And once the water starts to boil, the little trigger that you use to turn it on will move into an upright position and the light will turn off, and that means that it's done boiling. This is an auto shut-off feature that the kettle has, and I absolutely love this feature. It makes my life a lot easier and it is super convenient. So now I will show you guys my stainless steel Copco kettle boiling the water. I am putting the same measurement of water into this kettle as was in my glass electric kettle. And I really felt like the stovetop kettle would be faster heating up the water, and I think that's really why it's taken me this long to buy an electric kettle. I've also fast forwarded this part so that you guys didn't have to wait a long time for the water to boil, but it did take about 6.5 minutes for this one as well, which really surprised me. I did think my stovetop one was going to be faster, but it wasn't. Maintenance on the kettles are pretty easy. The stainless steel one does show a lot more fingerprints than my glass one, so that's a downside to the stainless steel one, but other than that, I just cleaned both of them out with a little bit of water and vinegar to keep from having mineral buildup. Another con to my Copco is that the bottom always seems to get dirty. It doesn't matter if my stovetop is clean, and it doesn't matter how many times I've cleaned the kettle. It just kind of happens and it drives me nuts, so that's something I don't like about that one. So let's go ahead and mention the pros and cons of each kettle. So the Bella kettle has an auto off feature, beautiful glass, a soothing light, it stays clean on the bottom, and it has a fast heat up time. So I really didn't feel like there was a lot of downsides to this kettle. I really did love everything about it. My Copco kettle had a fast heat up time. It's less likely to break because it's not electric, but it does have a messy bottom and no auto off feature. So I do feel like the electric kettle takes the cake in this one. I absolutely love it, and I really do feel like it was worth buying. So please like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching my video today.